Hello everybody, I am Ramesh. I head the Department of Optometry from Manipal Academy of Higher Education at Manipal, India. The Erasmus consortium that you are in, funded by the Erasmus Plus Capacity Building Grant. Oculus stands for Optometry Curriculum for Lifelong Learning through Erasmus. This term lifelong learning means, as an optometrist, as a primary eye care professional, we need to learn the art of knowing what is happening today in research and take it from the best of the evidence and apply it in our day-to-day clinical practice. To enable a person to practice this, we as educators have to ensure that our curriculum motivates our students to learn the art of doing this lifelong learning process. So we used a tool that is evidence-based practice as one of the tools and looked at